Hello everyone. Today's tech news is number 1. What the Biden administration might do to keep crypto mining from derailing climate goals. We think that there is a large opportunity for innovation. Number 2. The PS Vita's time is now, again. It's not news that handhelds are back in a big way, but reviving Sony's beloved, beleaguered Vita would probably see a bigger audience in 2022. Or, at the very least, I would buy one. Number 3. Adobe's Figma acquisition is a $20 billion bet to control the entire creative market. And it's just Adobe's latest acquisition. Number 4. Elden Ring is getting its own board game. After winning over gamers, Elden Ring is coming for board game fans. Number 5. Deathloop arrives on Xbox Game Pass on September 20th. The first-person shooter released as a PS5 console exclusive last September. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech.